I want to share a revelation that just clicked into place, and it explains exactly why I do what I do. People ask me all the time, Tarian, why are you so focused on these missing 22 books? Isn't the 66 enough? Listen closely, because this isn't about discounting the 66, it's about completing the record. There is a numerical signature to our control, and a numerical key to our freedom. In the word, 6 is the number of man. Man was created on the 6th day. It's the number of labor, limitation, and incompletion. For centuries, we have been given a book with 66 pieces. That is the double authority of man. It's a closed loop of tradition and density that keeps us believing, but never fully operating in our divine jurisdiction. Now, this is not numerology. This is about the fact that the Creator made it so there are specific numerical values to each letter and each word. God made it that way so the truth could be verified by the math of the universe. Part of the control we've been under was changing the record itself. In the 66, they took away the specific name Yahweh and replaced it with a title that men already held, the title of Lord. By removing his name and using a title that man already used for himself, they blurred the lines of authority. It was a move to hide the true sovereign and make us believe we answer to a system of men. But look at what happens when we follow the prompt of the Spirit to bring back what was hidden. There are 22 missing books, including the statutes of Enoch and the records of Jubilees. 22 is the number of light and revelation, the 22 letters used by the Creator to build the universe. When you add the 22 back to the 66, the math changes. You get 88. In biblical frequency, 8 is the number of new beginnings and resurrection. It is the number of Yeshua. 88 is the double 8. It is the signature of a resurrected authority. Now, some people recognize 81 books in the total record. Even in that number, the truth remains. The 8 is the restoration, and the 1 represents the return to the one true God. Whether you see 88 or 81, the point is that you have broken out of the 66. You have broken the loop of man. By reintegrating the missing 22, we are breaking the seal of the 66. We are moving from the number of man, which was used to control us, into the frequency of the new creation. The 66 gave us the foundation, but the 22 gives us the jurisdiction. Together, they form the whole record. We aren't just reading a book anymore. We are operating in a different frequency. We are moving from density to light. The record is being perfected. The math is complete. It's time to walk in the 88. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.